Let's see what we got going, man. I ain't gonna do no talking. Car crew, just watch. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video.
Damage.
Everybody wanna be hard. Wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun. Call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft. Can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up. When they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car, ain't stunning. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad.
Car crew. Let's see what we got going, man. Let's see what we got going, man. I ain't gonna do no talking. Car crew, just watch. Hey man, I ain't gotta say nothing. We got a cat in front of me, you feel me? SRT Jade and the cat, man. That's a female cat, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. But it's the longest 3 minutes ever. Boy, it only been 3 minutes? Boy, I feel like it been about 10 till that quick, boy. Car crew, I have no idea where we're going, bro. Nobody got an address or nothing. I don't know what's going on. we got a C8. You feel me? Look at the beautiful city, man. Look at the beautiful city, Cari crew. Hey, man, like I said, I ain't got to do no talking, bro. I'm focused. I'm driving. Y'all see where we at? Y'all see where we on, Cari crew? Like the video, man. Y'all see what we on, man. Y'all see what we on, man. Oh, I see raindrops. Yes, sir, yes, sir. My car be getting a little warm, man. Well, all of them do that after you go so crazy. I don't like that. I don't know if it do that because I'm catless or what. Because they ain't start doing it after them. Yeah. What's going on, boy? Them boys looking like they see something. I don't like that look. Dang, boy, dark in here, Cari crew. I don't know if y'all want the light on or light off. I got my brightness down too now, you know what I'm saying? I could turn it up, you know what I'm saying? But it be about right here. Cause I usually have it like that. Try to see. Y'all see us in traffic, man. Y'all see us in traffic, man. Y'all see what we got in traffic, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Damn, I just scraped the hell out of my bumper. Them boy came through trim and 12 right here, waiting. I ain't got to screw up my bumper, man. I screw up my bumper. Car across, screw up my bumper, man. I know y'all heard it. Damn. I hope my bumper's straight, but I slowed all the way down, though. That was a big deal, bro. That's why I be scared about lowering my car, bro. Just for a reason like that, bro. Yeah, man. Honestly, we got the whole, hey, man, peep the scenery, man. Bit by the truck coming through. Bit by the truck coming through, man. He just trying to work, man. He just trying to work, man. Trying to eat. You feel me? You feel me? Y'all boys see what's popping, man. Y'all boys see what's going on. Turn my whip off. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got the pretty Ricky. I said pretty Ricky, but look at it, bro. The scenery of the A is crazy. Bro, look at the carbon fiber. Forest carbon fiber, you feel me? Forest carbon fiber. Something slight, man. Something slight, man. See what's going on. Well, we had the whole street acting crazy, what? Oh, you're 12, like, hey, y'all, hey. Niggas. Yeah, we ain't even did nothing. We got out the way. We on the right side of the road and all.
That boy, about to go to. Hey, where you from did that? So come on, man. She get a couple pictures in, you know what I'm saying? Get a couple.
Yeah.
Tell her she come stuck.
That joint hard. Charlie got the heart hanging on the bottom. I ain't seen this shit. And we're back with Mr. Longhead. What's going on, man? What you say, bitch? He mad because so he can't take a joke now? Nah. Look at this nigga, bro. No.
Hey, why we gonna pull up there? Why we ain't pulling there? Let you out.
This nigga singing the
Hey,
right.
Swig, I'll block it off. Block that shit out. Hey, Swig, I'll block it off. Block it off. I ain't gonna let them, but if I hotel might be on thing. We're gonna move.
Oh, well, we all finna pull up under that bitch?
Everybody going in there with random people going in there with us. Y'all come in.
Hell yeah.
Why this nigga singing the ride? Why is he singing the ride?
I don't know.
Ride always attracting the weirdos.
Oh man, there's no parking. I said, all right, we got y'all. We just went on the ground there, though. I told him we went.
Man, they know we, man, bro, they run lane, they bar to nobody, bitch.
Hey, let's
I hate when they do that. Hey, as long as you standing by your whips, you good. Once you walk away.
He said this whole lane is no parking. And I said, yeah, nah, we just went in across it, yeah.
Yeah, man. I see we outside. We outside with them, man. I see what's going on, man. We outside with it, man. We outside with them. They could really singing, bro. That nigga singing to him. Oh, there go 12. We here for prom, man. These folks ride. Why they ride meat like that, bro? Why they ride meat like that? Bro, we ain't gonna be here for like 5 minutes, bro. God damn, man. Y'all trying to toast some shit.
We're gonna be here long enough to let them tow us.
That's what I'm saying, bro. That's why I said stay by your whip.